beat drums calling, the morning breeze whispering. Lift up your spirit under Jah's open sky. Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Under Jah's open sky. When the first light crowned the hills with gold, creation wake like stories told. The mist rolls softly through the trees, carried gently by the breeze. Every sparrow lift a joyful tune, greeting dawn before I knew. The rivers laugh against the stone, reminding me never walk alone. Me wear no chain of fear or pride, only faith walk by me side. Me no chase the glittering crown. Love is what me treasure found. Every footprint in the sand show the work of Jah's own hand. Though the pathway rise and fall, His mercy still surround us all. Hey, if the wind grow fierce and wild, keep the heart of Jah's own child. Stand like cedar firm and true. Better days are coming true. Under Jah's open sky we stand, joined together hand in hand. One love flowing like the rain, healing every hidden pain. Lift your voice and let it soar. Open every hopeful door. From the mountains to the sea, love shall be our victory. Morning market come alive, keeping ancient dreams alive. Basket full of mango sweet, friendly smiles on every street. Grandma hum an old refrain, soft as gentle summer rain. Grandpa share a humble word, greatest wisdom ever heard. The farmer bless each growing vine, trusting Jah in every time. The fisherman greet the tide with faith forever. Heart inside the tailor stitch with careful hand, serving people through the land. Every trade done honestly, build a stronger family. Hey, when the sunset can't debate, reggae carry cares away. Bassline pulse beneath the moon, every heartbeat find the tune. Drums awaken every soul, making broken spirits whole. Trumpets rise like birds in flight, filling darkness with pure light. If you find somebody weak, offer words them long to seek. Share your water, share your bread, lift the weary drooping head. Love no fade when freely shared, it grows stronger because you cared. Every kindness, big or small, can become a light for all. Moonlight shimmer on the stream, hope begin with one small dream. River teach perseverance well, every stone become a tale. Mountain show enduring grace, standing through each changing phase. Stars remind us night will end, morning always come again. Guard your conscience, guard your name, never trade it off for fame. Walk with justice, speak with peace, set division slowly cease. Every sunrise whisper low, plant good seeds and watch them grow. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. You remember who you are, brighter than the evening star. Carry wisdom, carry grace, bring compassion every place. Lead with courage, serve with joy. Lift each girl and every boy. Together we can build anew, with faithful hearts forever true. When my final breath is done, after every race we run, let them smile instead of cry, knowing love can never die. Not because of wealth or fame, but because me praise Jah's name. Every life touched by One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, Rastafari. Hear the conga drum, feel the bassline rumble. The winner carry on. One love forever. The morning break with a golden glow. Fresh mountain breeze begin to blow. The river sparkle crystal clear, wash away yesterday's fear. The eagle circle high above, watching over earth with love. Every heartbeat, every breath is another gift of life itself. Me step barefoot on the dusty lane, still me smile through joy and pain. Me no bow to greed nor pride, truth and mercy be me guide. Every seed me plant today, grow into tomorrow's brighter way. Me trust the journey Jah prepare, knowing Him presence everywhere. And if your eyes beyond the storm, every trial make you strong. Hold the faith and never stray. Light will always find the way. Winds of redemption blow again, healing every hurt and pain. Carry love across the sea, set every weary spirit free. Raise your hands beneath the sky, let forgiveness multiply. One love beating like a drum, calling every nation come. By the shoreline children laugh and play, chasing little waves all day. Grandma smile upon the wooden chair, offering wisdom, hope and prayer. Market full of friendly cheer, music floating everywhere. Neighbors greet with open heart, showing love from the very start. The fisherman trust the morning tide, Jah protection by him side. The farmer sing while planting corn, giving thanks with every dawn. The potter shape the waiting clay, turning dreams from earth each day. Every honest hand in know, help the whole wide nation grow. Reggae go through the square, positive vibration everywhere. Bassline deep like thunder roll, wake the sleeping heart and soul. And section lift the melody high, sending praises to the sky. Every chorus join as one, bright as morning rising sun. If you have two love, share one bread, lift the weak and raise them head. Kindness travel mile by mile, starting with a single smile. Love no weaken when it's shared, it grows stronger cause you care. That a treasure none can buy, shining till the day we die. Moonlight paint the restless sea, stars reveal possibility. Every wave that reach the sun, follow Jah's commanding hand. Even when the road unknown, you are never walking alone. Mountains high and valleys low, faith will always help you grow. No matter where the future lead, keep planting every righteous seed. Time reward the patient heart, every ending, every start. Stand together, shoulders strong. Unity become the song. You remember who you be, children of possibility. Guard your vision, guard your name, never trade it all for fame. Build with wisdom, build with grace, leave compassion every place. When tomorrow call your voice, let love always be a choice. If me footsteps fade away, May me words still gently stay, not for riches, not for gold, but for every hand me hold. May the laughter still remain, blooming after every rain. One good deed can light the night, like a candle burning bright. Winds of redemption blow again, hope will rise through every pain. One heart, one dream, one destiny, hung together peacefully. From the mountains to the shore, love will live forevermore. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, one love forever in Jah name. Yeah, the wind still blowing, the drums still beating, the people still singing, one love forever. Carry the light, cha da 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 da, eh. Cha cha cha. Hear the Naya bingy drum, feel the heartbeat of creation. From the highest mountain to the deepest ocean, carry the light. As the first rays kiss the morning dew, me heart wake up with a vision true. The breeze rolling from the Caribbean Sea, singing soft, me who you're born to be. Palm trees bow like them giving praise, golden sunshine warm the days. Every flower open to the sky, showing beauty, never ask why. Me no chase vanity, nor gold, me treasure lies in stories told. A helping and a peaceful smile can change another soul worthwhile. Every road me travel pan lead me closer to the dance, step by step and stone by stone. Jah remind me never alone. When the clouds begin to gather, stand together, sister, brother. Faith no break beneath the strain, joy will bloom after the rain. I carry the light wherever you go, plant good seeds and watch them grow. Let compassion be your guide, walk with mercy by your side. One love stronger than the hate, open in every hopeful gate. Lift your voice and let it ring, peace is still the greatest thing. Morning market full of smiles, echo heard for many miles. Fresh bread baking in the air, children running without care. Grandpa sitting by the gate, teaching wisdom never late. Every wrinkle tell a tale, how true love will never fail. The farmer sing beside the field, knowing patience bring the yield. The fisherman trust the tide, Jah forever by him side. The blacksmith shape the glowing steel, working hard with honesty. Every worker, every trade, help build the future Jah's made. Night arrive but hope stay bright, reggae fill the warm moonlight. Bassline shake the village square, positive vibrate preacher preach without a word. Every lesson can be heard. All your dreams with steady hand, build them slow like solid land. Time reward the patience slow. Faith complete what hope begin. Never doubt the path you take. Every sunrise brings new wake. Youth, remember where you stand. You are hope for every land. Speak with truth and live with grace. Bring a smile to every face. Don't let anger shape your way. Choose forgiveness every day. Strongest people always know. No, love is how true leaders grow. If tomorrow call me home, far beyond where oceans roll, may the laughter still remain, blooming after every rain. May them say him gave him best, serving others more than rest. That is wealth no thief can claim. Love will always speak me name. Yeah, yeah, carry the light wherever you go. Help another spirit grow. Through the valleys, through the seas, walk with hope and dignity. Yeah. One heart beating loud and clear. One love stronger every year. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame. Forever glorify Jah's name. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Carry the light, carry the light, carry the light. Yeah, yeah, carry the light. Keep the faith, keep the fire burning. One love, Rastafari forever. Jah, 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 Jah. Rastafari. The sea calm, the wind start blow. Set the sails high. Jah is the captain. Oh, yeah. Me launch me boat before daylight break. Trust every choice Jah help me make. The stars still shine above the mast, reminding me no storm can last. Morning breeze fill every sail. Faith alone can never fail. Ocean whisper calm and low, showing where my soul should go. Me compass point to righteousness, not the riches or success. Gold may fade and silver rust, but Jah never break me trust. Every wave that rock the sea only make me stronger be. Every mile me vessel roam bring me closer to me home. All the way through wind and rain, every loss become a gain. Jah guide through darkest night, leading every soul to light. Jah is the captain, me sail with faith, crossing every storm till the water safe. One love stronger than the tide, with His mercy as me guide. Raise your hands unto the sky, let your thankful spirit fly. One heart beating brave and free, bound together like the sea. Seagulls circle high above, carrying songs of peace and love. Sunlight sparkle upon the tide, beauty stretching far and wide. Every harbor welcome home, no matter where me feet may roam. Friendly faces line the shore, greeting strangers evermore. The sailor men him weathered net, never living with regret. The dark man laugh beneath the sun, giving thanks when work is done. The cook prepare the evening meal, sharing bread with joyful zeal. Every simple act of care show Jah's blessings everywhere. Nighttime rhythm reach the bay, music chase the fears away. Bassline roll like crashing sea, calling every heart to see. Drums are thunder, voices blend, bringing strangers close as friends. Trumpet rise beneath the stars, healing yesterday's old scars. Feed the hungry, comfort weak, lift the hopeless when them seek. Speak with kindness, walk with grace, leave compassion every place. Love no sink beneath the wave, love make every spirit brave. Every blessing that you share multiply beyond compare. Storm clouds gather, lightning flash, still me mass, no break, no crash. Anchor deep in solid ground, where eternal hope is found. We've always reached the sea, just as dreams find destiny. Seed has been but never break. Stand again when daylight away. Fire spirit every day, never let death lead your way. Walk with mercy, speak with truth, be example to the youth. Every sunrise, right on you, another page for me and you. Children are tomorrow's song. Teach them right from teaching wrong. Show them courage, show them care. Teach them hope is everywhere. Let them build with honest hands, peace across all distant lands. One small heart can change the earth. Every child, no endless hurt. When my final voyage done, after every setting sun, may them say me stood for peace, helping every burden cease. Not remembered just for fame, but because we praise Jah's name. Love alone will never end. Jah forever is my friend. Jah is the captain, lead the way, guide me safely every day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always rise again. One love shining like the dawn, keeping every spirit strong. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever glorify Jah's name. Yeah. The captain still leading, the sail still flying, the drum still beating. One love, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, Rastafari. Nyabinghi drums echo through the valley. The river keep flowing, Jah's mercy never ending. One love, forever. Yeah. As the dawn stretch over the hills so green, me wake to the sweetest sight we've seen. The river shimmer beneath the sky, while eagles spread them wings and fly. The cool breeze carry a gentle prayer, reminding me Jah is everywhere. Every sunrise bring new grace, lighting up on every face. Me no count riches by silver or gold, but by the kindness me heart can hold. Every smile me freely share, plant a blessing everywhere. Though the journey twist and bend, me know just stay beside me till the end. Every mountain me overcome, lead me closer to His kingdom. When the thunder shake the land, hold on tighter to Jah's hand. Every storm will lose its might, morning always bring a light. Yeah, yeah. River of blessings flow through me soul, making every broken spirit whole. Wash away the fear and pain, let hope bloom again and again. Yeah. One love flowing wild and free, like the river to the sea. Lift your voice and proudly sing, praise Jah, the eternal King. Village wake with songs of joy, every girl and every boy. Fresh bread baking in the square, sweet aromas fill the air. Grandmother tell stories old, worth much more than silver or gold. Grandfather smile with patient eyes, teaching truth that never dies. The farmer sow beneath the sun, knowing harvest soon will come. The beekeeper tend each hive, helping nature stay alive. The blacksmith shape each glowing spark, working hard from dawn till dark. Every trade and every skill show Jah's purpose and His will. When the evening shadows fall, reggae music answer call. Bassline rumble like the tide, pulling every heart inside. Drums and guitar rise as one, shining bright again. See the sunrise paint the skies. Hope is born where darkness dies. Every tree with roots so deep, show the promises Jah keep. Every star that lights the night, teach us all to shine our light. Pour your vision, guard the soul. Never let resentment rule. Walk in mercy, speak with truth. Lead by example to the youth. Every sunrise brings a chance to join creation's joyful dance. Children are tomorrow's seed. Teach them love in word and deed. Help them build with faithful hands, peace across all distant lands. Show them courage, teach them grace. Hope belongs to every race. Every child with dreams to share, carry blessings everywhere. When my final day arrive, may my spirit still survive through the kindness that me gave and the lives me helped to save. Not remembered just by fame, but by praising Jah's great name. Love alone will always stay long after me fade away. River of blessings never dry, flow beneath the endless sky. Through the sunshine, through the rain, Jah's great love forever reign. One heart beating strong and free, bound in peace and unity. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever honor Jah's great name. Yeah. The river still flowing, the lion still watching, the drum still beating. One love, Rastafari, forever. Yeah, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hear the Naya Bingy drums, the breeze that carry sweet perfume. Welcome to the garden of Zion, where every seed grows in love. Hey. Ooh. Yeah. Before the sunrise paint the sky, me hear creation glorify. Morning dew on every leaf, wash away yesterday's grief. The robin sing from mango tree, a hymn of hope and liberty. Golden light touch every hill, everything becomes so still. Me wake with gratitude inside. Jazz unfailing love me guide. Me no envy riches nor fame. Love alone a lasting name. Every road me ever tread, blessed by every prayer me said. Even when the valley is steep, Jah His promises always keep. Hold your faith through every storm. Truth will always keep you warm. Deepest roots grow underground, where Jah's endless grace is found. Welcome to the garden of Zion, where every heart can bloom as one. Living water, endless grace. Love is shining every place. Raise your hands beneath the sky, let forgiveness multiply. One love growing every day, lighting up the narrow way. Morning market full of cheer, neighbors greeting far and near. Fresh picked fruit in woven trays, brightening ordinary days. Grandma laugh upon the porch, holding wisdom like a torch. Grandpa smile and softly pray, bless the children on them way. The farmer sing beside the stream, planting hope in every dream. The shepherd guide him little sheep, promises of peace to keep. The carpenter shape each beam, building more than wood it seems. Every honest pair of hands strengthen homes across the lands. of gold. Share your water, share your bread. Lift the boat and tie your head. Mercy bloom like flowers bright, opening in morning light. Love no lesson when it's shared. It grows stronger cause it cares. See the river, seek the sea, just like hope seek destiny. See the mountain kiss the cloud, standing humble, standing proud. Moonlight dance on quiet stream, lighting every sleeping dream. Every season have its role, growing wisdom in the soul. Plant your vision, tend it well. Time alone, the fruit will tell. Walk with patience, speak with grace. Leave compassion every place. Every sunrise, softly say, mercy fresh for one more day. Ooh, yeah. Youth arise with fearless heart. You were chosen from the start. Carry justice, carry peace. Help division finally cease. Stand for truth though winds may blow. Strongest trees grow steady slow. One good life inspire more than all treasures stored in store. When the journey reach its close, like a quiet evening rose, may them gather, laugh and sing for the joy me try to bring. Not because me rich or great, not because of earthly state, but because me love mankind, leaving bitterness behind. Welcome to the garden of Zion, where every victory has begun. One love flowing like the rain, healing every hurt and pain. From the mountains to the sea, living peace and harmony. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever magnify Jah's name. Yeah, yeah. The flowers still blooming, the river still flowing, the drums still beating. One love, forever Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Hear the drums from the valley, feel the spirit from the mountain. Every heartbeat, every soul, blessings keep flowing, yeah. Yeah. When the morning rise above the mountain peak, me hear the voice of nature speak. The clouds roll by with a peaceful sound, teaching me where me truly belong. The river dance through the ancient land, carrying blessings from Jah's own hand. The trees stand tall through wind and rain, showing strength can grow from pain. Me walk this road with a thankful heart, knowing every day a brand new start. Me no fear when the road get rough, because Jah's love is more than enough. Every challenge, every test, help me discover me very best. Me keep me faith, me keep me way, trusting blessings come each day. When the valley feel too low, look above and let hope grow. Every storm will fade away, sunshine waiting for the day. Blessings from the mountain flow, like the rivers down below. One love shining bright and free, reaching every land and sea. Raise your voice and sing along, let the world hear the healing song. Together we stand, together we rise, underneath the endless skies. Down in the village, life begin with humble hearts and peaceful grin. Morning coffee, fresh bread smell, stories that the elders tell. Children playing near the tree, dreaming what tomorrow could be. Every home with open door, sharing love forevermore. The farmer plant plant with patient care, knowing Jah provide the share. The fisherman face the ocean tide with courage always by him side. The builder lay another stone, creating places people call home. Every worker, every hand help bring beauty to the land. When the night arrive and moon shine bright, reggae music fill the night, bassline rolling like thunder sound, spreading positive vibes around. Drums beating with a powerful car, bringing unity among us all. Guitar singing sweet and clear, removing every doubt and fear. No need for carry anger inside, let compassion be your guide. A little kindness every day can help somebody find their way. Love is stronger than any war. Love can lift and love can call. When we join together as one, great achievements can be done. Like the eagle flying high, keep your vision to the sky. Like the ocean never cease, keep moving toward inner peace. Like the tree with roots so deep, all the promises you keep. Like the stars that light the night, every soul was born to shine bright. Dreams may take some time to grow, but patience help the flow show. Never do the seeds you sow, one day blessings overflow. Every step and every mile can bring another reason for smile. Oh, oh, can bring another reason for smile. Youth arise and take your stand, help create a better land. Carry wisdom, carry truth, be a light unto the youth. Respect the elders, love the young, let peace be heard in every tongue. The future starts with what we do, a brighter world begins with you. When the journey reach the final shore, and my footsteps walk no more, may them remember love me gave, and every helping hand me save. Not for riches, not for fame, but for honoring Jah's holy name. Love will be the song me lead, a blessing for all who believe. Blessing from the mountain flow, more than anyone can know. One heart, one voice, one family, living in peace and unity. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise Jah's great name. Yeah, yeah. Mountain blessing, river flowing, drums calling, one love forever. Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Now you bring the drum beating slow, bassline shaking the earth. From the village to the city, one love forever. Yeah. Long before the sunrise glow, Jah breathe life into me soul. Morning mist upon the hill, everything becomes so still. River sparkle fresh and clean, reflecting every peaceful dream. Birds announce a brand new day, guiding every step me take. Me carry no burden made of it, me leave revenge outside the gate. Me build me house on love and truth, keeping faith since me youth. Every scar become a the sky turn gray. Never let hope fade away. Deep inside your heart remain sunshine after every rain. Roots run deep beneath the ground, wherever lasting strength is found. One love grow like ancient tree, stretching branches to the sea. Lift your spirit, lift your sound, help the weak become the strong. Side by side we proudly stand, healing hearts across the land. Village wake with joyful sound, fresh fruit baskets all around, children laughing in the square, simple blessings everywhere. Grandma hum an old refrain, healing sorrow, easing pain. Grandpa smile and gently say, respect will never lose your way. The fisherman trusts morning tide, faith forever by his side. The farmer greet the falling rain, knowing harvest come again. The carpenter carve each door, opening hope forevermore. Every honest working hand help uplift the motherland. Nightfall bring the reggae fire, if every heart a little liar. Bass guitar like thunder roll, wake the sleeping human soul. Drums are echo through the breeze, floating softly through the trees. Every chorus, every rhyme carry truth beyond all time. Feed the hungry if you can, lift your sister, help your man. Words of kindness never waste, love leaves sweetest lasting taste. One small candle in the night can become 1,000 lights. Peace begin inside your soul before it reach the greater wall. Mountains stand true wind and rain, still them rise again, again. Rivers never fear the storm, them keep flowing toward the moon. Stars no argue, who shine bright, together them illuminate the night. Nature teach without a sound, greatest wisdom all around. Plant good seeds with patient hand, one day harvest bless the land. Speak with honesty and grace, leave compassion every place. Every heartbeat, every breath, celebrate the gift of life. Youth hold firm to what is right, be a beacon in the night. Never sell your dreams for gold, truth is worth much more to hold. Walk with courage, walk with peace, help the violence finally cease. Every smile you freely give, help another soul to live. When my final road is done, after every race me run, may them gather, laugh and sing, not because of earthly things, but because me shared me bread, lifted weary hearts instead. That is legacy complete, love make every life more sweet. Roots run deep beneath the ground, where just endless love is found. Through the sunshine, through the rain, through the rain, hope will bloom again, again. One voice, one heart, one destiny, living in sweet harmony. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise just holy name. Yeah, 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 no, no. Roots run deep, drums still calling, hope still growing. One love forever. Ja, ja, yeah, yeah. The conga drummer beat, the lion spirit awake. From the mountains to the sea, blessings upon the people, Before the rooster greet the dawn, me wake while stars still linger on. Me kneel in silence, bow me head, give thanks for daily bread. Then the eastern sky turn gold, 1,000 promises unfold. The breeze brings sense of earth and rain, healing every hidden pain. Me no measure wealth by gold, but by the love me heart can hold. Every sunrise teach me grace, every smile light up a face. Me plant me dreams in fertile ground, where hope and faith are always found. No matter how the road may bend, Jah love remain until the end. Lift your eyes above the fear, every blessing drawing near. Stand like cedar firm and tall, faith will never let you fall. Welcome to the kingdom of the sunrise, where hope is shining in every eye. One love flowing like the streams, building up tomorrow's dreams. Raise your hands and sing with pride. Let compassion be your guide. From every nation, every tongue, one love keep the world as one. Market bells begin to ring, children laugh and mothers sing. Fresh fruits glowing in the sun, another joyful day begun. Old man carving cedar wood, teaching every child do good. Every story that him tell carry truth we know so well. The shepherd guide them flock with care, morning blessings fill the air. The baker needed daily bread, loving every loaf is spread. The tailor stitch with patience and helping people cross the land. Every trade and every art start with one devoted heart. Tonight the rhythm shade the ground, sweet vibrations all around. Bass guitar like rolling tide, keeping every soul alive. Drums and notes a joyful sound, calling every heart around. Voices rise beneath the moon, singing freedom's timeless tune. If you see a stranger cry, don't just pass them walking by. Oh, oh, half a comfort, share your smile. Oh, oh, walk beside them for a while. Oh, love is stronger than despair, growing every time we share. Kindness echo far and wide, like the ocean turning tide. Lightning flash them fade away, still the sun return next day. Storm clouds never own the sky, hope will always learn to fly. Every river find the sea, every bird find every tree. Trust the timing, trust the way, Jah prepare a brighter day. Write your story page by page, wisdom greater than your age. Leave behind a trail of peace, helping every burden cease. Walk with courage, speak with truth, eh. Be an example to the youth. Children are tomorrow's light, guard them dreams with all your might. Teach them justice, teach them grace, help them every step them trace. Show them how to stand as one, underneath this same bright sun. Every heartbeat, every prayer, build a future bright and fair. When me final journey done, after every race me run, me them say him love mankind, leaving bitterness behind. Not remembered just by name, nor by fortune, nor by fame, but because me share Jah light, turning darkness into bright. Welcome to the kingdom of the sunrise. See the hope in every eye. One love stronger every day, lighting every trouble away. From the valleys to the sea, live in peace and harmony. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praising Jah's great name. Yeah, sunrise keep calling, the lion keep roaring, the people keep singing. One love forever. Jah, Rastafari. bingy drum, the lion roaring at the distance. Feel the heartbeat of creation, Mount Zion calling, one love forever. Before the sunrise touch the sky, me hear creation testify. Morning mist upon the hill, every voice becomes so still. Golden beams through bamboo trees, songs arrive upon the breeze. Nature sing without a sound, God's great mercy all around. Me wear no crown of silver bright, truth alone become me light. Me carry hope in every stride, with humility as me guide. Though the valley steep and long, me answer fear with grateful song. Every mountain that me climb bring me closer every time. Stand firm when the cold wind blow. Faith is how the strong roots grow. Every tear that leave your eye, water dreams that touch the sky. Mount Zion calling, hear the sound. Lift every soul from off the ground. One love flowing wild and free, like the rivers to the sea. Raise your banner, sing just praise. Walking through all your days, hand in hand, side by side. Let love forever be we guide. Forever be we guide. The marketplace awake at dawn, another hopeful day is born. Children run with joyful feet, turning every road to sweet. Grandmothers laugh like morning rain, healing every hidden pain. Grandfather with gentle smile, teach the youth true living style. The farmer bless the waiting field, just in earth its fruit will yield. The fisherman greet the morning tide, job protection at him side. The mason stack each patient stone, building dreams that stand alone. Every worker, every trade, strengthen what our fathers made. Night arrive and rhythm blaze, lighting hearts with songs of praise. Bassline rumble deep and low, like a mighty river flow. Lead guitar begin to cry, sending joy into the sky. Every drum beat, every cheer, drive away confusion, fear. Feed the hungry, clothe the poor, open every welcome door. Words of kindness heal the weak, lift the ones who cannot speak. Mercy travel farther still, stronger than the strongest will. One small spark of charity can ignite humanity. Like silver on the bay, guide the traveler on him way. Stars no compete for brightest shine, together them create design. River teach persistence true, always find a path straight through. Cedars teach endurance well, standing strong where storms once fail. Hold your vision, guard your soul, let no darkness take control. Every sunrise prove again, joy can blossom after pain. Walk in justice, walk in grace, leave compassion every place. Youth arise with fearless eyes, reach beyond imagined skies. Carry wisdom, carry peace, help division finally cease. Speak with courage, lead with love, trust the fathers and above. Every child a shining flame, every heart can bless Jai's name. When the final sunset fall, I may hear eternity call. May them sing with smiling face, as we share God's light, turning darkness into bright.